Solve this system of equations using the elimination method. With the elimination method of solving a system of equations, you combine the two equations and in the process, eliminate one of the variables. With some sets of equations, one pair of variables are already opposites. In this system, do you see how the x and the minus x will cancel each other out? So use column addition to combine these equations. We get 3y equals 12. Simplifying, we get y is equal to 4. We take this value for y and substitute it into one of the equations. So we get x plus 4 equals 5. So x is equal to 1. So the solution to this system is y equals 4 and x equals 1.